Hello, this video will show you how to quickly and easily start up Systec's portable ultrasonic flow meter deltawaveC. To get started, switch on your deltawaveC transmitter and select Quick Setup. Quick Setup will guide you through all necessary steps to start up your flow measurement. If you need to set up more in-depth settings, such as changing from metric to imperial system, or turning on the data logger, you can do so by selecting Complete Setup. To start the measurement, enter either the diameter or the circumference of your pipe. In this case, 89.5 millimeters. Then deltawaveC will ask you for the wall thickness of your pipe. In this example, the wall thickness is 2.525 millimeters. In the next window, you need to select a pipe material. deltawaveC has a wide variety of the most commonly used materials in pipes. Select the materials of your pipe and press Enter. In our case, the pipe is made of stainless steel. Some pipes have an inner liner, which can impact the accuracy of your measurement. If your pipe has a liner, please select Yes and enter the material and thickness of the liner. In this example, the pipe has no liner, so simply select No Liner. The next parameter to be entered is the type of fluid flowing through your pipe. deltawaveC has a list of different fluids. If the fluid you are trying to measure is not part of the preset list, you can define up to 4 own fluids and save them on your portable device. In our case, the medium we are measuring is water at room temperature, so around 20 degrees Celsius, which is about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. deltawaveC offers 3 different transducers to cover all pipe sizes between 10 millimeters and 6 meters in diameter. Depending on your previously chosen diameter, deltawaveC will give you a suggestion which transducer will work best for your application. The display will indicate the best solution with 2 stars and a good alternative with 1 star. I will choose option 3, which is considered the best solution for my application. Finally, you need to choose the transducer arrangement for your application. The mode will define the number of path reflections in the pipe and the path length. A longer path will give you more precise results, while a short path will have less disturbance in the signal. The device will also give you a suggestion on what mode will work best for your application. In our case, I will select the 2-star suggested W mode. With these simple steps, the quick setup is complete. In the final window, deltawaveC will show you the mounting distance of the transducers and also a number of index holes on our mounting rail. If possible, we always recommend using the mounting rail. When using the mounting rail correctly, it is very easy and safe to find the perfect distance between the 2 transducers. In this example, the distance is 8 holes on the mounting rail. To mount the transducers to the mounting rail, start by installing the first transducer slightly off-center, making sure the BNC connector is facing outwards. Now start counting at the next hole towards the center. Install the second transducer into the hole indicated on the mounting window, in our case, in the 8th hole. The BNC connector of the second transducer also facing away from the first. Now that the transducers are installed to the mounting rail, you are ready to install the assembly to your pipe. When clamping the transducer assembly to a horizontal pipe, do not install it in the 12 or 6 o'clock position, because the measurement might be negatively impacted by air bubbles or debris which could accumulate at the top or bottom. Also, to make sure the transducer has good acoustic contact with the pipe, apply either a small amount of contact grease or acoustic coupling pads to the transducer as shown. Now make sure to hold the assembly firmly while attaching it to the pipe. Double-check that the transducers are installed parallel to the pipe axis. Use the top screw on the transducer housing to press the transducer down on the surface of the pipe. To start measuring, connect the transducers to the electronics. Connect the upstream transducer to the upstream connector on the electronics, and the downstream transducer to the downstream connector. Select the measuring menu on your deltawaveC. You should now see the actual flow on the display. By entering the oscilloscope menu, you may easily check if you have a good acoustic signal. Your signal should look similar to ours, with clear signal peaks and low noise in front of and after the signal. If possible, shut down flow in your pipe and perform a zero calibration. As you can see, comparing the results to our Har-mounted equipment, the values for flow are very close between the inline flow meter and deltawaveC clamp-on-flowmeter.